Welcome back to Sawyer Ridge Farm. I'm Jacob.
And I'm Alex.
So today's video is going to be for our giveaway. This is what you're going to have to do to qualify for our 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Guys, we first just want to tell y'all thank you very much for all the support, good comments, advice and everything, encouragement, and just getting to this 20,000 milestone within a very short amount of time.
It just blows our minds. We're really excited about it, and like Jacob said, we're just very grateful for all of you guys' support in this journey of YouTube. We really enjoy putting the videos out for you guys, and you guys seem to like them, so we're very appreciative. Yeah, and we just want to thank everyone else that's kind of helped us along the way with collaborations and shout outs and stuff like that. So we just thank everyone that's just kind of just been there with us since the beginning. So the things that you're going to be winning, we're going to have 3 winners. And so two winners, because our last giveaway, we did our coasters, and a lot of people wanted some. And guys, we made a lot of them for the meetup. We made a lot. And, you know, that got canceled, you know, due to everything going on. And so we thought, why not, let's do another giveaway with these also. So 2 winners are going to be winning a set, and the set is 4. And so the cedar
coasters that we make here personally on our farm from the cedar trees. If you see our previous videos, we got a lot of them. And so 2 winners are going to be winning 4. So there's going to be 4 as one winner and 4 as the other winner.
And then the other winner, we've had one of our subscribers, very sweet lady, who made these cups for us, and I know we've showed it in some of our live streams here. Her name is Sandra Ryder. She has an Etsy store and makes these personalized tumblers, and she offered to make one for one of you guys who wins in this contest. So it'll be a cup just like this one, the wood grain with our logo on it, and that is going to be our 3rd prize. And thank you, Sandra, for offering to make one of these for one of our subscribers. So out of these 3, Jacob, you want to tell them how to enter? Yeah, so to enter is just real easy. You got to be a subscriber, and just leave a comment down below, a good comment. Yeah. And that's all you got to do to qualify for this giveaway. We're going to be doing this for a week. So from whenever this is posted, a week later, that's when we're going to end it. Only 1 comment, you know, per subscriber, you know. Yeah, don't be trying to put 2 comments in there. We do have a filter that will filter that. Yeah, so it's not going to work, but, you know, put your comments down there, and in a week we will be letting y'all know who won. We'll do a special video for that, and then whenever we get that, we'll get the information that we need from them, and we'll send out these giveaways. Yeah. But guys, we really appreciate y'all stopping by and watching our videos and getting us to this huge milestone in just a very short amount of time in the YouTube world. And we're very excited, and we're very thankful, and we thank everyone that has just partaken in our channel. Yep. So guys, as always, take care and God bless. God bless.